Hey everybody, this is Diane with Crafting with Fury. I am so excited. I have got my design team package, my cooperation that I am doing with Queenacraft, and I will leave their link down below, and I will also leave the link of all the products that are in here. And also don't forget, if you want to save 10%, use my coupon code, which is Diane, and use that at checkout and you could save 10%. So let's see what I've got to work with. I'm so excited. Ooh. Oh yes, and I love the way they package everything. It is just so nice, and you can reuse these bags. They are just super nicely packaged. I love it. This die set here, these are called, I want to make sure I call them the right thing. I think these are the Halloween label dies. This one says Happy Halloween, and this one says Nightmare Before Christmas. Super cool. I love these. So I got these, and I got these. These are white. They're called Handmade wooden sign buttons. So these are all, let me see if I can get it to focus here for you guys. Handmade, and you can put these on your projects. I love these. Ooh, you're gonna see a lot of these, and that one says Handmade. There's a diamond one, and then there's an oval, and then it looks like there is a square one that says Handmade. Love those, super cute. So I got those. Let me put that out of the way there. Make sure I got everything. And then I got these Christmas dies, and they are called, see, these are the Christmas balls and candy cane dies. Look how stinking cute those are. Those would be perfect for tags. My mind's working here, guys. And this set are the gift boxes die. That's a good size die. Look at that. Super cute. Love that. Alrighty. And then this set is I think these are the holiday greetings dies. This one says Merry Christmas. And yep, this is what I love. The letters are interconnecting, so that means this is going to cut out, Mary's going to cut out one word, and Christmas is going to cut out one word, and I love that. And then this one says Happy New Year. Very cute. So I got those. And guys, this is too stinking cute, I'm just telling you. And when I seen this, look how cute this is. This is called, excuse me, Halloween clown die. And you know what I'm going to do with that one? I am going to use this die here that says Nightmare Before Christmas. Would that not be perfect? Absolutely perfect. Love it. Oh, how creepy this little guy is. It don't matter. I love him. How stinking cute is that? Alrighty. And these look like they're Snowflake. These are called combined Snowflake dies. And you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You get 5 dies. Those are pretty. Love them. Could you see those cut out in glitter paper? Oh yes, please. And these are called Halloween pumpkin dies. Oh, how cute. Love those. So they've got 3 layers. You've got the base, the shadow layer, and then you can layer these different designs on them. Look how big they are. Stinking cute. I love them, love them, love them. Let me get those back in there. Come on. Work with me here. They come out, so you know they got to go back in. Why can't I get... Okay. There we go. Sheesh Louise. And these here are layered flower dies. And you know how I love my layered flowers. Love them, love them, love them. Oh, these are so pretty. Oh my goodness. I love these. All right, my hands are just not getting with it. Look how pretty. You get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 flower dies. This could go underneath that one. That can go on top of that one. That one can go in the middle of each one of those. Super cute. Love it, love it, love it. So those are the layered dies, flower dies. And I seen this and I had to have this. I know it's not Halloween, but guys, you know me, I Halloween all year round. And you're still going to see some Halloween projects from me. Look how pretty this one is. This is spooky, and it's got this awesome, awesome spider web die here. That is so pretty. I love it. Love it, love it. And that's a really good size, too. So we got that. Go in. And this is so pretty. And I have got kind of an idea for this die here. This one is called the Halloween cover folding card die. So what you would do is you would cut it out and you fold these over, and then you could open the butterfly wings up. How adorable. Look how big that is. I don't have my... I took my ruler in there. I don't have my ruler, or I would show you how. Well, hold on. Let me see. I think I can do it from here. This thing is, I'd say 7 3/4 with the wings completely out. And then the card base is 4. So you've got a 4 by 4 here, I think this is. That is a nice size die. I love it, love it, love it. And with every single order that you get, they send you this beautiful card that says after service that you can reuse. And it just kind of tells you subscribe to their social medias and all of that. So it's very nice. And they've sent a mini notebook, which I absolutely love. And guys, I got this too. So let's see what they have put in here. This was so sweet. Thank you so much. I truly appreciate it. And so let's see what this little, oh wow. Some beautiful sequins. Look at that. Look at that. And some gorgeous flat back pearls in some tan and some dark brown. Ooh, look at this twine. That is gorgeous. Oh, mercy. Look at this. A time remembered. I love coffee. Some little, like sticker pieces that you can collage with. Love it. Thank you. And here is a notebook. That is adorable. And vintage material paper, European Garden Series. Huh, vintage material paper. Let's see what that is. How gorgeous. Oh, this is so pretty. Oh, it feels almost like material. Oh, well, how neat is this? This is gorgeous. I love the way it feels. I wish you could feel it. That looks like it's coffee stained. This is beautiful paper. Thank you, Queenacraft. Love it. That is gorgeous. All right. Well, everybody, please go over and check out all of the cool dies and awesome products that Queenacraft has. They're always coming up with some very new products. And I will leave everything linked down below. So let's get our craft on, guys. So watch out. I will have some project shares coming out pretty soon. So thank you guys so much for watching. I truly appreciate it. And everyone, please have a very blessed day and be safe. I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.